Hey guys, if you haven't heard, this is the amazing and incredible WhatsApp service on level 2.5 of Wavegenius.com. You'll be, well, this will speak for itself.
If I turn his account something really gigantic, it's gonna be a big testimonial on the website. So I'm gonna work on this thing. It's probably the best testimonial I ever had. 1915 S&P just happens to be the .786 or near 786 of the entire drop from 1955 to 1926. So we're actually at the breakout point. So I'm gonna hold on to UPRO another couple days and see what happens.
Keep in mind, I bought UPRO 111.5. It is now almost 115. So this is the sequence of events in the Fed meeting. There was a zigzag and then a rally at 786. Keep that in mind. This is why this is awesome. This is all real time. It comes in real time. Like it'll pop up like this, you know.
Wavegenius.com.
It's like audio clips.
Looks like UPRO is at 113.15, which means my profit is like getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So I'm gonna continue to hold because this is normally where I buy it. Right here is normally where I buy UPRO. So.
This is sample Google.
558 sets up a third wave to a size of 568 on the 10-day 1-minute chart. Off the lows, it has 1, 2, 3, and a possible third wave setup. So at 558 is a good entry from Google. You guys know what's really bonkers? What's really bonkers about this trade is the fact that I'm seeing a clear cut 1, 2, 3 on the 30-day 1-minute chart on UPRO. Okay, the target is not like 115 or 117. Okay, the target is actually 130. I'm not even kidding. Okay, I'm seeing a clearly defined 1, 2, 3 pattern, which could take us into 130. So I may double my position, or I don't know what I'm gonna do. I may add to my position, buy something else. But the only logical thing to buy is no more UPRO. That's the only thing that's logical to me. But yeah, it looks like 1, 2, 3, like 130.
Yeah.
Looks like official. I'm up 10,000 now. This is going crazy. Holy shit.
I hit this thing. I nailed this turn. See, these audio clips are like that. Right when something happens, like boom, turn by turn. See, that's the most incredible thing about this. And then I have the webinars. It's like, yeah, this was.
Good evening, guys. Welcome to the webinar. I'm at a restaurant right now. I'm sitting at Hooters again. I'll be here until like 12. I'm gonna be eating a lot of food, but anyway, the first talk is TNA, and I saw this formation is beautiful. It has a wave 1, wave 2, rounded cup and handle, which is my favorite wave 2 formation, and a third wave for TNA with target as high as 95 if it travels 1.618 times the first wave.
This is an example of a webinar that happens 2 or 3 times a week. I post 20 stock symbols, and I do wave counts on them.
On the 6-month chart, SSO has a clear cut 1, 2, 3 pattern. The highest target on the gold ratio, 1.618 times wave 1 target would be as high as 130. It's a pretty obvious 1, 2, 3. That's SSO.
Then again, I have like screenshots, like a little screenshot from an article. There's a lot of charts also.
Let's do Facebook over again. I miscalculated the third wave. Essentially, the breakout for Facebook would be around 67. If it breaks that level, the highest target would be as high as 75, the third wave, based on the length of the first wave, and 1.618 times wave 1 and wave 3, Facebook.
Here's all humorous stuff.
The next symbol is a trip, man. It's a trip, man. TRIP. It has basically the formation in the past couple months could be either a wave 4 or a wave 4 or wave 2. So I'm thinking it might be a wave 4. So
real
the highest
time,
target on the fifth wave, at 0.618 times wave 1 plus wave 3 would target as high as 125 to 130, based on the length of the first and third wave times 0.618.
And it's organized. Everything's neatly organized. You can see everybody you're talking to. And here's one last testimonial here. Audio testimonial.
Yeah, I'm glad you said the word
Bernard.
finally. I'm fairly fast to trade, but I'm slow to part with money to somebody I don't know. And I got to know you now, and I know you're the real thing.
The real thing.